Hey, y'all, this is Robin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you 3 rustic country decor DIYs that are very budget friendly. I just love these. I'm real excited for y'all to see them. I love them and I hope y'all do too. So let's get into it. DIY number 1 is a mini crate shelf. I dug deep in my craft stash and pulled out 3 of these wood mini crates from the Dollar Tree. And I also have a package of the wood cubes. Now, off camera, I did take a piece of sandpaper and I just went over each of the crates, getting rid of any rough spots and any little splinters. I'm attaching 4 of the cubes to each one of the crates. And I'm doing this before I do any painting or anything like that, because wood to wood with the glue, you just get better sticking power that way rather than wood to paint. It just gives it something more solid, more secure to stick to. And I'm just using my Gorilla Glue sticks and my Surebonder detail gun. Next, I'm just taking my plaster colored chalk paint and I'm going to give them a decent coat. I'm not looking for perfection or full coverage because I do want this to be rustic. And of course, I will be distressing them here in a minute. But I did just paint the outside, the inside, and yeah, the bottom. Even though nobody's going to see it, I like my stuff to be finished. Here I'm just taking my antique Waverly wax and my stencil brush because I could not find my chippy brush. But hey, you got to use what works, right? So I'm just hitting all the edges, the little handles, basically anywhere I think, naturally distressing stuff would take place. Do it until you're happy with it. So naturally, our little mini shelf needed some mini decor. So I took about 8 tumbling tower blocks and I'm going to connect them together using Gorilla Glue and my hot glue. Using my carpenter square to make sure everything's nice and even and level. Then I cut out a piece of heavy cardstock and I'm going to attach it to my little wood board there with my disappearing purple glue. This stuff works so good. Just pressing it down with my fingers, making sure it's all down. Now I'm using one of our Chalk Couture minis. This is from the Locally Grown collection. Actually, these minis come 12 to a set. Great deal on that. I love how cute this turns out, y'all. Really cute. And so easy. Look at those clean, crisp lines. I just love it. No bleed through. Then I took a scrap piece of wood, and I'm going to do the same thing using another one of our minis. I believe this one may be from the French Country collection, and they also come 12 to a set. Nothing could be simpler. And there's our mini shelf all decorated up. I really like this. It turned out so cute. You can style this any way you like. I put some greenery in there with our minis. Yeah, so cute. Now, moving right along to DIY number 2. I love this one. I honestly think this one's my favorite. I bought these chalkboards at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to give the frame a good coat of the Antique Waverly wax with a paintbrush. These come in a 6-pack. And so actually they were, I think it averaged out to like maybe $1.60 something a piece. Then I'm going to go over the wax with a baby wipe. And guys, if you have not done this, I don't know what it is about the baby wipe. But when you use this technique, it brings out so much in the wood. It really brings out the texture. It's just really pretty. And then I'm just touching up some areas where I thought maybe I took off a little too much. Next, I'm going to use a transfer. Actually, I just got in the other day from Chalk Couture. And I love this. You just peel and stick it down. This is so cute. It's so cute. But if you've not checked us out yet, I really encourage you to go do that. If you want to take your craft into the next level, this is the way to do it. This piece reminds me of something that you would see in Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's. I actually made this one for my mom because she's all about country decor, or farmhouse decor as it's called now. But look how easy this is. I love this. I'm going to put a link in my description box in case you're interested, because we have a huge collection of farmhouse style transfers. And then of course I have to distress it using my plaster chalk paint. Forgive me guys, I'm a little slow. It's after 1 o'clock in the morning. It just cut through storming, so I'm finally getting to finish editing this video. And then I just use a baby wipe in case, I got a little heavy-handed there. No big deal. It all blends in. Happy accidents, right? If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, that would be greatly appreciated if you hit that subscribe button right now. I try to upload videos every week, and a new feature I've added to my channel is called Turbo Tip Thursday, and I'm running late on that as well due to storms, and we lost our internet for a while. There it is. I love you for Heifer. How adorable. This is my favorite, I think, of the 3 DIYs in this video. I just absolutely love this. So country, so farmhouse, whatever you want to call it. I just call it just flat out cute. Alright, DIY number 3. Oh, stencils. Now, I'm not a big stencil fan, but I did like this design. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. The board, I just painted the top using steel chalk paint. And I'm not going to lie, I was struggling with this one. It's a big difference jumping from Chalk Couture to using stencils. But to do a stencil, you pounce. It's up and down, straight up and down. Pounce, 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 pounce. You don't want to use brush strokes like you were painting something. Bleed through with me is the big problem with stencils, and this one give me fits. But it turned out cute nonetheless. And of course, I had to go around the edges and distress it. And I did attach some rope. I used a drill and threaded it through knots on the front. I forgot to record it, guys. I'm sorry. But I love this one too. Turned out really nice, even though it gave me a fit. So you're going to have to let me know in the comments below which one of these three is your favorite. Which one would you like to try? As always, guys, thanks for joining me here on the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button because it really helps my channel to grow. And until next time, go get your craft on. Bye.